Watch this video to learn how Xero helps you view and monitor your business's income, expenses, and profit or loss. To view the Profit and Loss report, click Reporting, then select Profit and Loss from the Favorite Report section. The Profit and Loss report is your window into how much income your business has earned and what your expenses are, ultimately showing your profit or loss for the chosen period. Set a date range and customize the report settings using the Compare With, Filter, and More options. In this example, we'll set the date range as last month and compare with 1 month. Then click Update to run the report. View transactions that make up the period total by clicking the income or expense figure. Xero opens the Account Transactions report, so you can see the details and investigate anything that looks unusual or unexpected. Next, let's look at some pre-built reports. Use the arrow to expand the side panel on the left. Xero provides common formats already configured to show information according to format title. This means you don't need to customize the report yourself, just choose the report and it's ready to view. If you've set up a budget in Xero, use the Budget Variance and Current Financial Year by Month, Actual and Budget to quickly see your business results compared to your estimated results. First, we'll view the current and previous 3 months report. Although Xero runs the report using the preset format, you can customize the report. For example, if you use tracking, click Filter to choose the tracking options to include. Click More to add further customizations. For example, you might want to show the accounting basis on the report, or add a column for percentage of trading income. If you make any changes, click Update to run the report. This and the Current Financial Year by Month report are useful to check monthly results, spot trends, and analyze the impact of seasonality in your business. Use the Compare Tracking category format to see how different parts of your business are performing if you've set up tracking categories in Xero. Xero defaults to include all categories. Click the Compare Tracking Categories field and use the checkboxes to choose which to include or exclude. Review the Unassigned option to check transactions you haven't allocated a category, or choose individual categories to focus on one area of the business. Click Apply to save changes to the categories to compare. Use the More button to add further customizations to the report. If you make any changes, click Update to run the report. Once you've customized your report, you can save it for next time, so you don't need to customize the default report every time. Click Save As and choose the relevant option. Export the report to share it outside of Xero with others, if needed. Review the Profit and Loss report to stay on top of your income, expenses, and overall profitability, helping you make smarter decisions for your business.